How to hide TikTok followers in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and do that. So let's just head on right in with the video. So basically right now I am on my TikTok account page. Now basically once you're here, you're going to want to head over to the top right corner with the 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. From here, head on to settings and privacy. Now basically you're going to want to go ahead and click the second option, which is privacy here. Basically, once you're here, there's going to be a discoverability option. Now, basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you want to hide your TikTok followers. So pretty much you're going to want to go ahead and put your account on private, and that's going to allow you to actually keep your followers private and actually hidden. So essentially people can only follow you if you actually approve them. So essentially they would actually just come in as a request. So it's very easy to actually go ahead and do, guys, and people won't actually be able to see your followers unless you actually approve of them. So it's pretty simple to actually go ahead and do. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.